dog park this morning. Here's the tree. All the leaves are yellow now, and most of them are on the ground, and a lot of them are on this man. But look at the feet. Hey, hey. Okay. Look at the feet. Look at the feet. Oh no. I'm gonna have to back. Oh my gosh, will you stop barking, please? Hey, 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 hey. Quiet. Quiet. Good quiet. There you go. So loud. So loud. So loud. Look at them feet. Look at those feet. Look at those feet. How am I supposed to let you in the house with those feet? How? Okay, all right. Clover. Oh. Clover. Guess what time it is? It's time to wash the dirty feet. Look at this. Look at this. It's time to wash the dirty boy. It's bath time. I know you're gonna love it. Stay still, please. Oh, I know you want to go and run around and act a fool. All right, hold on. One more foot. More foot. Tail, hold on. Tail. All right, you feeling good? You feeling yourself? Feeling yourself? Yes? Okay, you are feeling yourself. You are feeling yourself. It's a good thing you're clean, or you wouldn't be up here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all see, you almost fell off the couch there. Hey, crazy eyes. Hey, look, are you done? Okay, now everything in the bathroom needs washing now. It's a disaster area. What are you doing? You came in here. Hi. Hi, wet boy. Hi. Hello, I'm back. I mean, I didn't formally like open the vlog really at all, but as you can see, we went to the park this morning super early. I gave Clover a bath, and Eve sent me a super cute picture of him in his office chair. He's like a little cinnamon roll, and it's adorable. So I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see it, and it's just so cute. But I figured I'd do a really quick grocery haul with you guys. I did a little shop for lunch because I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to be good about my sweet green addiction. We've talked about this in another video, but like sweet green salads are so good, but they're like $12 a salad, which is like really, so I'm gonna make my own sweet green kale Caesar salad today. I'm very excited about it. So here's my grocery haul. Okay, firstly, I did pick up a Real Simple magazine. I don't normally get magazines, but I don't know. It's got organizing stuff in it, so I wanted to look at it. And I also got some tomatoes for the salad. I got two avocados. I got some Parmesan cheese salad crisps. I know you can make these, but like I just want to have lunch. So these are in the kale Caesar. We're gonna make these. We're gonna have these today. And of course I got some Caesar dressing, and I got some pickled vegetables. Even though I can pickle my own, but I got some pickled vegetables for the buffalo kale salad that they make at Sweet Green. It comes with like pickled carrots and celery. There's no celery in here. I should probably make some pickled celery. This pickled celery is so good. But you know, have some pickled vegetables. And I also got crispy jalapenos, probably because I'm just gonna eat them. I don't really want them on my salad. I mean, they're like great on salads, burgers, roasted potato. No, I'm just gonna eat these. So yeah. And then I got some blueberries. Clover can have some of those too. He loves those. I got, of course, some foxy romaine lettuce. And I also got some Starbucks Maple Pecan limited edition fall coffee. I had this last year and it was really good, so I'm gonna have it again today. We have a Keurig machine, but we have reusable K-cups, so I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of that out and put I'm excited to have a cup this afternoon. Yum, yum. What else did I get? Oh, I got some sharp cheddar cheese to have with Granny Smith apples, which is a magical combination if you are not familiar. Just cut up some Granny Smith apple, have a little cheese next to it. So good. This has to be the extra sharp cheddar though. Has to be the good extra sharp cheddar. Can't be like, you know, your regular cheddar. I got a random pomegranate because I'm just gonna eat it. And it's gonna actually cook it good on the kale, on the Caesar salad too. And I got a bag of candy corn because 'tis the season. Let me know in the comments whether or not you like to eat candy corn. It seems to be a thing on the internet to dunk on candy corn, and I don't appreciate that. I happen to like candy corn in small quantities. You know, you can eat like 6 or 7 of these at a time. After you eat more than that, it gets a little bit gross. But I like candy corn and have since I was a little kid. And when I was a little kid and was trick-or-treating, when they gave out the little tiny bags of candy corn, that was like, it was like I won the lottery. I was like, oh my gosh, I got the little bag of candy corn, yes. Do those still exist? And I see a lot of people on Twitter, if they're from another country, they're like, what is candy corn? I mean, basically, this is what it is. It's a little piece, it's like waxy sugar. The Brock's is like the only acceptable brand of candy corn, I think, in the United States, because other candy corn is kind of disgusting. But it's basically like sugar, and there's honey in it, and it's like kind of like waxy sugar candy. I love candy corn. The ones with the pumpkins, the candy corn pumpkins, those are an abomination. Those are an abomination. But I like candy corn, so fight me in the comments if you don't like candy corn. Speaking of candy that I think is really disgusting, you know what I think is really disgusting and like a way bigger offender than candy corn ever could hope to be is those circus peanuts. Not actual peanuts, but the circus peanuts candy, like the marshmallow. It's soft, but it's not soft. It's hot. That's a real problem. That's call the police. All right, I'm gonna make this salad and eat it up. All right, here is my kale Caesar without the dressing on it. I didn't put the dressing on, but there's the little Parmesan chips, and there's kale and romaine, and the fake chicken and tomatoes, and it's gonna be just as good as the one from Sweet Green, but not for $12. Okay, bye. I had a really good salad. I'm Very happy about it. So I am gonna stop filming this video now and start filming another video, which I'll put up on Monday. But I came across a comedy routine from Maher, and he was talking about online influencers and how they don't have real jobs because they don't want to work as nurses, teachers, doctors, etc., etc. And it made me angry. I'm on a roll this week just about like ranting about stuff, but it's the irony of Maher, a comedian, pointing the finger at people making money online and saying, that's not a real job, when he's in front of a camera doing a very similar thing is very hypocritical. It's always been hard for a creative person to hear that kind of thing. All my life, you know, people are like, well, if you don't make it as a singer, you might have to get a real job, or like, do you have a day job? And this kind of language is really harmful for people who make careers doing creative things. My vocal instructor is not calling it a day job anymore. She calls it a correlating career. So this kind of language I feel like is really harmful for people in creative fields and people who want to be in creative fields. It's just, it's like kind of a gross, like saying like your job isn't real, when any job that pays you money, any career or anything that you do that people pay you to, okay, anything that you do to earn money is a job. Anything. Like, there are no non-real jobs. There are no fake jobs. If you do a thing and someone pays you, then it's a job. You may not like said particular job, or you may feel resentful because you feel like the earnings are disproportionate to the amount of work that you see done, but that's beside the point. I don't like all influencers. I feel like a lot of influencers do a lot of shady stuff, but so do lawyers. So do some doctors, teachers, people that work in restaurants, people that have their own businesses, bankers, music producers. Let's stop. And it did sound a little like age shamey as well, like ageist, like, oh, those young people, those millennials. Can we stop all that? If you're very lucky, you will be old at some point. So I feel like we need to stop shaming people for being older online. And at some point you were young. So let's stop with the ageism. I have friends who are between the ages of like 20 and 75. So can we stop? Can we just stop? Okay, I'm gonna get my coffee and I'm gonna film another video. So another short video today, but you guys got a lot of wet clover, so that was good. All right, I'm gonna grab my maple pecan coffee, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.